Live a luxurious South Florida lifestyle in Cutler Cay, a guard-gated community including a resort-style clubhouse that just underwent a multi-million-dollar renovation, including a spectacular pool, party space, 2 gyms, tennis courts, and more. Nestled on a cul-de-sac with an oversized lot, this Mediterranean estate home has a premium location. Impeccably maintained, the home features the coveted Varese floor plan with generous formal living and dining rooms, high ceilings, and neutral tile floors throughout. The heart of the home is the great room with adjoining granite kitchen, laundry, 2-car garage, and lovely terrace. This 2-story home encompasses 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, including detached guest quarters for in-laws. The sublime primary suite includes a sitting area, his and her closets, double vanities, and jetted tub. The large 11,273 square foot lot has a spacious covered terrace and room for a pool. It adjoins an incredible green space through a rear gate. Stroll to the clubhouse, play fetch with your dog, or train your soccer phenom. The location and home are truly the best of the best.